Hello, thank you very much for watching this tutorial. This week I'm gonna work with these beautiful colors, Amsterdam green and olive, and I will use the Swedish Posy decoupage paper from Annie Sloan. This is the paper. It's a cooperation done by Redesign with Prima and Annie Sloan. And this decoupage paper is made out of fibers, and as you can see from the package, they have these wrinkles. I use the normal, not normal, all of them are normal, but the old style of getting rid of them. I iron them, simply iron. I use a very low temperature. I go with silk on this iron. And I pressed very gently over the surface until the wrinkles disappear. It takes some time, maybe, 5 minutes, I think. You can also use a towel or maybe a cotton cloth to put on top of the decoupage paper and then to put the iron, and this way you can use the heat, the higher heat. Either way it's fine, so give it a try and get rid of these wrinkles before you start working on the project, because otherwise these wrinkles will pop up once the glue gets dry, and they will not look very aesthetic, at least for me. So as you can see, I'm almost ready. I still go back and forth over the wrinkles, and I think it really looks nice. But one more, just for control. And it really looks perfect now. Ta-da! With this very sharp knife, it's a jamon knife actually, I got it from Spain. And with this I cut exactly where I want the paper. I measure the same left and right, make sure that the size it's okay, it's correct, and then I come with the knife and I simply cut it. You can also use a blade or any other thing to cut, but this is the way I find very easy to do this job, and it's very accurate and I like it. And then I come from the other side and I meet in the middle, and the paper is perfectly sized. How I glued this decoupage paper on the table, you can see live. I've done it for Redesign with Prima. It's on Redesign with Prima Facebook page, so if you want to check how I did that, you can go and watch the video. I will also link the live in the description of this video. And after I removed the extra from the decoupage paper, I come with the same color, with the Amsterdam green, and I fix all the issues that I got from the sanding block when I removed the extra glue, not extra glue, sorry, the extra paper. It stayed some days. Usually I do this, I remove the extra of the decoupage immediately or the next day maximum, but this one stayed longer time, and so it was a little bit more difficult to remove it. And here I apply the clear wax. I'm using clear wax from Annie Sloan Romania. And I go all over the surface with it because it really protects and it darkens very beautifully the paint. I'm using here dark wax, also from Annie Sloan Romania. It is a very dark brown. I prefer it to the black because I think it gives more natural shadows. It really looks more natural, in my view at least. And I go all over the corners. Also, I'm vintaging a little bit the paper. I want to make it look a little bit old and used. So, and this dark wax really provides that old look to any piece. And I create some shadows. As you can see, the natural light really creates a shadow under the table, so I just come with the dark wax and I accentuate a little bit that shadow. It is a long process, but I really enjoy it. This is actually my favorite part, where I come with all these shadows and then I'm coming all with the gold. The piece really brings, or really not brings, really gets more authentic, old, and I like this style of vintaging with dark waxes. And then with this spatula, I also come with this leaking of dark. I don't know why I create them almost on all the projects lately. I really find them very nice. I love them so. They, of course, it's something optional. If you want to recreate this kind of look, it's really an optional step. And then with my hand I come and I mute them. I press them against the clear wax that I have underneath, and this way they will lose themselves in the paint. You see, it's just a little bit of illusion, nothing too much. And I do this all over the table. And now with the gilding wax, I'm using Eternal from Redesign with Prima. It's definitely my favorite gilding wax. It's very, very shiny. I love it. And I come all over the margin, and also I get a little bit into the paper. It really looks nice. It gives a little bit of shimmer. I don't put too much actually, and I distribute it very well all around the area where I want it. And I'm talking again a lot. And you saw a little bit of babe also. And I'm barely having any gold on the brush, and I come over the surface, and where I imagine sun would hit the surface, I create some golden shimmery on the piece. and it's ready, and I love it. I think it really looks nice and old and worn, and it has character, and I think everything fits perfectly on this piece. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, have beautiful days. Bye.